What's the meaning of agoraphobia? Agoraphobia. 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 Agoraphobia is a type of anxiety disorder characterized by an intense fear of situations where escape may be difficult or help may not be available if a panic attack occurs. People with agoraphobia often avoid being in public places or situations, such as being in crowds, traveling in a car or using public transportation, or being in enclosed spaces like elevators or tunnels. This fear can significantly impact a person's ability to live a normal life, resulting in social isolation and difficulty completing daily tasks outside of their homes.